Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, information, and fun, fun, fun. Yes, we've made our decision. We are not spending the holidays at home this year. So, Christmas and New Year's, somebody else is doing the cooking. And guess what? We have a special just for you based on your desire to just have a good holiday without all the stress that goes with it. So sailing this Christmas Day out of Montego Bay, we have got the Morella Discovery too. Oh my goodness, I see the families lining up together to take the children out for an amazing week sailing the Caribbean. This itinerary is one that you will absolutely enjoy. We leave on Christmas morning. Yes, you can have your sorrel at home, have your cake, spend a few minutes with the family, and then head out to Montego Bay to board your floating hotel at 1 p.m. We are going to Belize City, guys. Also, we're going to San Tomas de Castillo in Guatemala. Then on to Roatan, Honduras, and back to Montego Bay. And the price is right too. Take advantage of our reduced deposits that are available only if you call and book now. It's Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. But there's still some persons who really would want to be home on Christmas evening. And so for those of you who would rather to go and get off your vessel on Christmas morning so that you can go home, kick back with the family, and just have a good time, we have the Cuba Fusion sailing just for you. This will depart the 18th of December from Montego Bay, and it will give you Georgetown, Grand Cayman, and overnight in Havana. And I can tell you, so much to do in Havana. You will love it. Then, of course, it's on to Mexico. Who does not love Cozumel, Mexico? Oh, yeah, just for you. And, of course, Christmas morning, bright and early, you will disembark your wonderful vessel in the picturesque town of Montego Bay. Now, if that is not a treat, I don't know what is. So you've spent Christmas either at sea or on land, and now you're saying, so what do we do for New Year's Day? I'm so glad you asked. Because after we have kissed and hugged and told everyone how much we love them and congratulations for coming over into the new year 2019, pack your bags, head to Montego Bay. We are sailing away on New Year's Day. We're doing the same itinerary, Cuba Fusion. So we hit the high seas and we head to Grand Cayman. Oh my goodness, it's a wonderful way to start a brand new year in a new country. So Grand Cayman will welcome us. And then we're on to Havana, Cuba. One full day, one full night Tropicana show. It is a must in Havana. And then we're on to Cozumel, Mexico. Mexico calls our name, and we will obey graciously. Ladies, gents, boys, girls, the holiday is for you. The holiday is for us. Family time, together time, our time. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We are here to take you sailing away through the holidays. We've got Christmas Day, we've got Christmas week, we've got New Year's Day, we've got New Year's week covered. Give us a call, 527-4098. 345-1437. And of course, if you're calling internationally, 347-757-6728. And if you're in Canada, 877-778-5436. So we love to make you smile. We want to make you happy. Sail away with us this holiday. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.